I disappeared from YouTube because of online classes. Today I'm going to do a room tour, so let's go to the video. So guys, this is my bookcase and I have my school books in the first row, and in the second row I have my reading books and dictionaries, and in the third row I have my all grade books, and also in these ones I have my files, stationeries and all this stuff. So I use these flowers to bring brightness and prettiness to my room. So guys, this is my cupboard, but I can't show you guys today because it's a total mess. But I have my clothes and my parents' clothes also in this cupboard. So guys, this is my desk and I will show you guys everything in this desk today. This is a teddy bear gifted by a small Nanga. I kept it here. So cute. So this is a flower vase. So I made this myself. I took flowers from different flower vases. I'm so happy with the way it came. And this is my lamp, study lamp. So I use this at night. It's really dark in my room at night and it's really bright. I love this lamp. And next is my water bottle, and I bought it last year and I keep it this year also because I love it a lot. And this flower vase is my favorite from all the other flower vases I have. So it's really bright and I love this flower vase. So this is my pencil case and I was doing homeworks before this shooting, and it was given by the same Nanga who gave me the teddy bear as well. So if you like to see what's in my pencil case, please comment down below. I will sure to make it. And these are actually my books. As I said, I was doing homeworks before the shooting and these are the books. So next is the drawers. So guys, I will show you the drawers as well. So this is my to-do list where I write all my to-dos and stuff in here. So I will open it, and here I have my to-dos. I'm so sorry you guys can't see that. And yeah, so these are my to-dos. So this is an extra notebook I had. I just write rubbish in here. So this book is given by the same Nanga who gave me the teddy bear, and I love that book. I write extra stuff in there. And this is my mask, and you must have a mask these days. And this is my earphones. I use them in online classes because there are family disturbances in the morning and it's really disturbing. And this is my calculator and I don't use it, but I actually keep it in case of emergency, you know. I am a person who keep everything in emergency. In here I have my stationery box. I use this in maths class, you know, important. So in here I have my reading book, which I actually didn't use still, and given by the same Nanga who gave me the teddy bear. And because of online classes I don't get much free time. I don't have time to read the books. And this is color pencils I use in science and stuff, you know, in case of emergency, that also. So that's all over with my drawer. So let me clean this first, otherwise my room is getting messy and I just have to clean like 2-3 days, you know. If you pile out things, and that's a trouble at the last. So guys, clean your rooms. So guys, this is my second drawer and I have all my stationeries, pencil cases in case of emergency and pastels, everything in here. I'm a stationery addict. Oops, my hair is falling. I'm so sorry for that. So guys, that's all with my desk and now let's go to the bed. So guys, this is my bed and this bedspread is so comfy. I love my bed. So these are my pillows and these are my decorative pillows. And this is Pooh. I keep him while sleeping. He's so comfy, where I ever saw. So this is my dressing area and I dress in here. This is my dressing area. So this is a flower vase, another one, because I want to make my room super pretty. And in here I have my mom's nail polish, perfumes, oils and stuff. So guys, in the first one I have my hair accessories. In the second one mine and my mom's jewelries, and the third one goes with medicine, and in these ones electric appliances and stuff. So guys, these are wall decors, mostly motivative ones and positive ones, and when I'm lacking motivation, when I read them I get motivated again. And these are the fairy lights and I use them because it's a bit dark in my room, as I said, and it make me my room super pretty and I love my room a lot. And tell me how much you love your room as well. So guys, my room tour is over, and if you like this video, please make sure to give a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe me as well. And this video is the first video of 2021. I hope you have an amazing year, and few videos are coming up next, are still filming, and I hope you have an amazing day. I love you to the moon and back. Bye.